Welcome to EasyLux. This video shows you how to install the ELC SmartDriver for tunable white lights. Please follow the safety instructions. The recessed surface-mounted ceiling lights can simply be placed in the ceiling system. The 8 or 24 meter presence detector is positioned so that it has a clear view of people and where they are working. If necessary, use the supplied lens mask to limit the field of detection. Switch off the power to the cable, then check that the cable is de-energized. The SmartDriver is designed to be mounted on either the wall or the ceiling. Connect as shown in the wiring diagram. Check whether simple buttons or Dali buttons are the correct option for your room solution. Our intuitive Dali buttons are also practical. If you are using a KNX variant, you can network the SmartDriver with the KNX bus via the left-hand socket. It is very easy to connect the presence detector via the sensor interface. The lights are connected to the SmartDriver using the RJ45 cables. The RJ45 interfaces are assigned channels that the SmartDriver can control separately. If you wish to combine multiple SmartDrivers, there are two possibilities: connecting via the Dali C0 interface or via the ELC bus. If SmartDrivers are connected using Dali C0, all connected lights form a lighting group. This means that all settings, such as light target values and switch-off delay time, apply to all lights, as does all instances of a presence detector being triggered and all Dali button commands. This grouping is not ideal for some room configurations. Different lighting groups can be connected via the ELC bus, so that the illuminance of each group is controlled individually. When a lighting group detects the presence of a person and switches on the group's lights, the other lighting groups switch to the harmonious and energy-efficient orientation light mode. The lower switch must be set to on if only one ELC bus cable is inserted. If several SmartDrivers are connected to each other via the C0 interface, only a maximum of 5 SmartDrivers may have an active Dali power supply. Otherwise, this will damage the device. Please note that changes to the switches will only take effect once the supply voltage has been interrupted. The number of SmartDrivers which can be networked together depends on the variant. Where necessary, Dali devices, including Dali switches, can be connected via Dali interfaces C1 and C2. The Dali interfaces are assigned to both the channels at the factory. Up to 25 Dali devices can be connected per channel. The cover can now be screwed on. The SmartDriver is now connected, and the mains voltage can be switched back on. The lighting will work after the warm-up phase. It still has to be configured so that all the functions are available and the system works efficiently and correctly. We will show you how to configure the lighting in the configuration video. Why not pay us a visit at easylux.com? Until next time.